sa ating lahat. Ako po si Emmanuel O. Alejandre. Ito po ang aking daily devotion ngayong May 22. And for today, ating pag-uusapan ang tatlong katotohanan tungkol sa Diyos na hindi nagbabago. This relates to the topic of immutability na makikita natin sa James chapter 1 verse 17 na nagsasabing, "Every good and perfect gift is from above, coming down from the Father of the heavenly lights, who does not change like shifting shadows." Sa Tagalog, ang bawat mabuting kaloob at ang bawat sakdal na kaloob ay pawang buhat sa itaas, na nanggagaling sa Ama ng mga ilaw, na sa Kanya ay walang pag-iiba o anino man ng pagbabago. So there are three implications of God's immutability. Sinasabi po rito na God will always be good. Kahit anong mangyari, kahit gaano katagal ang panahon na lumipas, God will always be good. That is His trait. And God's promises are always reliable. So aside from Him being good, yung mga pangako po ng Panginoon ay hindi magbabago at habang buhay eternally will be in fruition. So, as someone that is a believer of God, I hold on to all of His promises with all my faith and all my life because I know that will never change. The fact that God will always fulfill His promises. And the God of the Bible is the same God we have today. So lahat po ng mga qualities and traits na pinakita ng Diyos sa Biblia ay traits niya rin sa ngayon. He is not changing, no? So find peace in God's unchanging character. Dahil ang Diyos po natin ay mabuti. Ang Diyos po natin ay merciful, loving, forgiving. So with Him being unchanging, all of those good qualities are also unchanging. Therefore, we should rely on His word and His promises. Kasi there is nothing more certain than God. So know God and live accordingly. Dahil kung kilala mo ang Panginoon, kilala mo siya magpakailanman dahil siya hindi nagbabago. At kung alam mo kung paano panghawakan ng kanyang mga salita, ikaw ay mamumuhay with prosperity and joy. Yun lamang po ang aking daily devotion. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. Pagpalain po tayong lahat and let us all give glory to God.